Have you ever felt nervous speaking English while taking a taxi?
Don't worry. In this episode, we'll teach you how to talk naturally with a taxi driver in English.
From booking a ride to paying the fare, you'll learn real-life phrases you can use anywhere.
So sit back, relax, and let's take an English ride together. Hey, Sarah, have you ever had trouble talking to a taxi driver in English?
Oh, yes, many times. At first, I didn't know what to say when booking or giving directions.
Same here, but once you know the right phrases, it becomes super easy.
Exactly. So let's practice some natural conversations for taking a taxi.
Great, let's start from the beginning. How do you book a taxi?
I usually use an app like Uber or Ola. I just say, I'd like to book a taxi to the airport.
Perfect. Or if you're on the street, you can say, "Taxi, can you take me to the city center?"
Yes, and don't forget to ask, how much will it cost before getting in?
That's smart. Prices can vary depending on traffic or distance.
Exactly. Once you sit in the taxi, you can say, please take me to Green Park.
Or, could you drop me off near the main entrance?
That sounds polite.
Yes, using please always makes your English sound friendly.
What if you want to make sure the driver understands you?
You can say, "Do you know where that is?" Or, "Should I show you on the map?"
That's helpful. Sometimes drivers ask, which route do you prefer?
Right, and you can reply, "Take the fastest route, please."
Or, avoid the highway, there's too much traffic today.
Good one. I've said that many times.
Me too. How about small talk with the driver? It's quite common, right?
Oh, yes. You can start with, "How's your day going?"
Or, has it been busy today? It sounds natural and polite.
That's true. Many drivers like friendly passengers.
Definitely. But if you're tired, it's okay to stay quiet and just relax.
Yes, just a simple thank you at the end goes a long way.
What if you need to stop somewhere on the way?
You can say, "Can we make a quick stop at the ATM, please?"
Perfect. Or could you wait here for 5 minutes?
Right, that's polite and clear.
And when you're ready to continue, you can say, okay, we can go now.
Exactly. Communication is key.
How do you ask the driver to slow down or drive carefully?
That's important. You can say, "Excuse me, could you please slow down a bit?"
Yes, politely. Or please be careful. I am in no hurry.
That's a good one. Always stay calm and respectful.
Absolutely. Being polite makes a big difference.
What if the driver takes a wrong turn?
You can say, I think you missed the turn. Can you go back, please?
That's right. Or, "I believe it's the next street on the left."
Very natural. You sound confident when giving directions like that.
Thanks. And if you're unsure, you can say, "Let me check the map."
Perfect. It shows you're paying attention.
What if you need air conditioning or windows adjusted?
You can say, could you please turn on the AC? Or can you open the window, please?
Yes, always start with, "Could you please," to sound polite.
Right. It makes even small requests sound friendly.
Now, let's talk about reaching your destination.
When you arrive, you can say, this is my stop. Thank you.
Or, "You can stop here, please."
Exactly. And when paying, ask, how much is the fare?
Or, "Can I pay by card if you're not carrying cash?"
Yes. Or do you have change for 500?
That's a common one.
Totally.
And when you finish the ride, always say, "Thank you. Have a nice day."
Absolutely. Politeness always leaves a good impression.
Do you usually tip the driver?
Sometimes I usually say, keep the change, thank you.
That's a nice gesture. It shows appreciation.
Right, especially if the driver was polite or helped with luggage.
Speaking of luggage, how do you ask for help with it?
You can say, could you please help me with my bags?
Or, can you put this in the trunk, please?
Perfect, yes. And when you get out, thank you for helping. I appreciate it.
That's very polite English. Do you ever use taxis when you travel abroad?
Yes, quite often. It's one of the best ways to see a new city.
That's true, but English really helps in those situations.
Definitely. Even basic phrases make traveling easier.
Like, how long will it take to get there? Or, is traffic bad right now?
Exactly. Those are super useful phrases.
Sometimes drivers ask, do you want me to take the highway?
Then you can say, sure, if it's faster, or no, please take the city road.
Perfect. Clear, short, and polite.
Yes, the goal is to sound confident, not complicated.
What's the funniest taxi experience you've ever had?
Oh, once the driver and I both got lost and used Google Maps together.
That's teamwork.
Totally. It ended up being a fun ride.
Mine was when the driver played my favorite song by accident.
That's awesome. You probably sang along.
Of course, it made the whole trip enjoyable.
See, even simple taxi rides can help you practice English.
Exactly. It's real-life English you can use anywhere.
So, to all our listeners, next time you take a taxi, speak confidently in English.
Use these simple phrases and sound natural every time.
Remember, being polite and clear is the key.
Right. Don't worry about being perfect. Just communicate.
You'll get better every time you practice.
Thanks for joining us on this English journey.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep moving forward.
See you in the next episode.
Safe travels, everyone.